Here's how to fix Adobe Creative Cloud unable to reach Adobe servers. The first thing you need to do is check your Windows firewall settings. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and open it. From the left panel, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then select Change Settings at the top. Next, click Allow another app, then choose Browse. Now locate the Creative Cloud executable file. If you're not sure where it's installed, open your C drive, then go to programfiles.x 86. Then go to Adobe, then Adobe Creative Cloud, and then go to ACC. Select creativecloud.exe and click Add. Once it's added to the list, make sure both private and public are checked. Now, click Allow another app again and select Browse. Click the up arrow to return to the previous folder, open the utils folder, and this time select the Creative Cloud desktop application. Click Add, then once again make sure both private and public are enabled. After that, click OK to save the changes and close the window. Next, open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: net sh winsock reset. Press Enter to run it. After that, type the next command, ipconfig /flush DNS. Then press Enter again. Once both commands have finished, close Command Prompt and check whether Adobe Creative Cloud can now connect to the servers. If the issue is still there, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. Go to Network and Internet, then select VPN. If you're connected to any VPN, click Disconnect. If you aren't using a VPN, simply move on to the next solution. If the problem still hasn't been fixed, open your web browser and go to the Adobe website. On the support page, scroll down to Incorrectly Configured Hosts file and click on this How to Reset Hosts files. Here, find the Reset Your Host Files section. From there, download the Limited Access Repair tool. Once the download is complete, open the tool and go through the installation steps. Accept the license agreement and let the utility scan your system. It will automatically detect and repair any issues that may be preventing Creative Cloud from connecting to Adobe servers. If none of the previous methods work, open the Start menu, search for Add or Remove Programs, and open it. Find Adobe Creative Cloud in the list, click the three dots beside it, and select Uninstall. After the application has been removed, download and install the latest version of Adobe Creative Cloud from the Adobe website. A fresh installation should resolve any remaining connection issues. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.